Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about mushroom Matar Masala. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start with 3 tablespoon oil, 2 cardamoms, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, add 2 medium-sized onions and cook till it turns translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon crushed ginger and garlic and cook till the raw smell goes away. Now add 2 small tomatoes sliced, (1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now let's add half cup green peas and mix well. Again, cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now add 200 grams of mushroom and mix well. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. Finally, add 1 teaspoon butter and coriander leaves. And cook for another minute. Serve it hot with roti and enjoy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another one. Till then, thanks for watching.